Hey, it's time for another shout out. Today I got Advanced Home Services. This one's really cool, all the way down to their domain, mydadcandothat.com. What this does is imply a local family feel that you'd be comfortable letting in coming into your home. And it's like I've talked about in several of these other videos, it's about building trust early and often. And with these little things here and there that make you feel a part of the community, that gives more relatability in that sense, that's your opportunity to, hey, I can stand out and do in the market with this impact. And the other thing I do enjoy about these guys as well is, this is great content on the website, right? We put your satisfaction above all else, but not a lot of companies are going to walk that out, right? But you can see at Advanced Home Services, and they're a little over 4,200 reviews. It is shown that, hey, we are having this impact by being neighbors, but also as we gain customers and have those opportunities. It matters. We care about you when we leave the home. You're comfortable and you're happy and you're satisfied with everything that's gone on. And these guys are doing a great job at that. So congrats, Advanced Home Services. Keep up the great work. Hey guys, if you have anybody that you would like to see me do one of these shout outs for, just shoot me a comment, a DM. Always happy to take a look.